Hello everyone, I'm Nathan. Today I'll show you how to use the TV controller. To configure the screen, you'll need a debugging cable, which is a USB Type-B cable. We need to use it to connect our TV controller and to our laptop. Then, for the next step, we need to open our Nova LCT software. The first step is to click Login. Select Media Player Login. Select the TV controller that you're using. Click Connect. Then, the username is lowercase admin. The password is uppercase SN2008 @+. Click OK. Next, click Screen Configuration. Click Screen Connection. The first step in configuration is to check the arrangement order of the cabinets. There's a feature here called Mapping. We need to click Enable Mapping. S01 refers to the sender, which is our TV controller or VX processor. P01, this P refers to the Ethernet port. Then the pound sign, 001, 002, 003 is the cabinet order. Now, looking at the screen, the arrangement order is from right to left, then down and to the right. This is for Ethernet port line. Then below is Ethernet port 2, P02. Its order is also right to left, then down and to the right. That's the sequence. We can see this screen has 4 rows and 8 columns. So we need to go into the software and set it up. Change columns to 8, rows to 4, and click this reset button. Now we can reconfigure the screen. Okay, let's look at the layout on the screen. The top 2 rows are P01, 16 cabinets on port 1. Then, in the software, click on Ethernet port 1. Then, following the actual screen order, we start connector. Okay, from right to left, then down and to the right. When connecting to Ethernet port 2, we need to click on Ethernet port 2. Once connected, we need to click the Send button. After it's finished sending, we can turn off the mapping feature. Just click the mapping button again, and it will disappear. Once it's disappeared, we can check to see if the video on our LED screen is playing normally. As we can see, the screen is now playing the content from our TV controller normally. Then, for our final step, we need to save our data. There's a save button right here. Click right here. Alright, so the configuration is now complete. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone. If you have questions, feel free to contact CAMBEST.